the United Nations has officially declared December 21st as the World Meditation Day. A historic recognition of meditation's power to transform lives and shape a better world. The world's largest international organization has spoken. Meditation matters. The practice of meditation is now being explored by science to understand its benefits. However, it is the need of the hour to recognize that meditation is the only and surest way to gain excellence in every aspect of our lives. Join us in this global movement at the second Global Conference of Meditation Leaders to be inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, where we explore how meditation can lead to excellence in all aspects of life and establish peace and harmony on the planet. Inspired by Brahmarshi Patriji, founder of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, Buddha CEO Quantum Foundation is organizing this conference along with Pyramid Meditation Channel Hindi, Ministry of Ayush, Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, S. Vyasa University, Heartfulness Institute, AIIMS New Delhi, and others. This is more than a conference. It's a celebration of meditation's profound impact and a call to action for leaders, educators, policymakers, and seekers worldwide. 4 transformative days features many visionary speakers, including global leaders like Padma Bhushan Shri Kamlesh Patel, President of the Heartfulness Institute, Raj Yogini B.K. Shivani, Spiritual Mentor, Brahma Kumari's World Spiritual Organization, Padma Shri D.R. Karthikeyan, former Director of CBI, CRPF, and former DG Human Rights Commission, Padma Shri Dr. H.R. Nagendra, founder and Chancellor of S. Vyasa University, Shri Amitabh Kant, G20 Sherpa, and former CEO of Niti Aayog, Padma Shri Dr. R.V. Ramani, founder and Managing Trustee of Shankara Eye Foundation, Shri Chanchalpati Dasa, Vice Chairman and Co-Mentor, Global Hare Krishna Movement and Senior Vice President of ISKCON Bangalore, Shri Bhikkhu Sanghasena, founder of Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, Ladakh, Dr. Vinod K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog, Government of India, Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi Kondaveti, Dr. Isaac Matai, Dr. Raghavendra Rao, Mrs. Pia Singh, Shri Shreyans Daga, Shri Chandra Pulamarasetti, Dr. Roland McCready, Dr. Gopal Krishna, along with pioneers in the field of meditation, its research and its application across various fields of healthcare, stockbroking, community development, technology, media, and much more. Engage in dynamic panel discussions across the identified 6 tracks where excellence in meditation can be implemented: organizational excellence, sustainability, holistic growth, physical and mental well-being, excellence in education, and conflict resolution and peace. Experience the magic of practical meditation sessions led by experts who will guide you step by step to deeper awareness. Learn actionable strategies to scale meditation practices in organizations and communities, and explore groundbreaking research showcasing the scientific benefits of meditation. Whether you're a leader, educator, policymaker, or simply someone seeking transformation, this is your chance to make a difference for yourself and for the world. Join the movement, be part of the change. Together, let's create a ripple of excellence and harmony across the globe. See you in New Delhi.